Ever wondered why an apple falls down and not up? This question sparks the intriguing mystery of physics, an intricate branch of science that weaves a fascinating web around matter, energy, motion, and force. It's a field that uncovers the hidden mechanisms of our universe, revealing the secrets behind everything from the tiniest subatomic particles to the vast galaxies swirling in the cosmos. Imagine waking up one day and all the laws of physics have taken a holiday. Chaos, right? That's because physics is deeply embedded in our daily lives. It's the reason our coffee stays hot, why the sun rises and sets, and why we don't float off into space. It's the silent, unseen force behind every leap, every breath, and every heartbeat. So whether you're a student grappling with equations or just a curious mind, remember, physics isn't just about complex calculations. It's about understanding the world around us. So in essence, physics helps us understand the fundamental principles of the universe. Why do things fall to the ground? Why don't we float away? Let's talk gravity, the invisible force that keeps our feet on the ground and our world in orbit. It's the force that attracts objects towards each other, with the strength of this attraction depending on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. Here on Earth, gravity is what makes things fall when we drop them. It's what keeps us from floating off into space. When you jump, gravity pulls you back down. When you throw a ball, gravity curves its path back towards the ground. In the larger universe, gravity is what holds planets in their orbits around the sun, and moons in their paths around their planets. It's what keeps the stars in their places in the galaxies. Gravity, a seemingly simple concept, is an integral part of physics that governs the motion of everything, from an apple falling from a tree to the movement of planets. What makes it possible for us to see the world around us? The answer is light. But what exactly is light? Well, light is a form of electromagnetic radiation that our eyes are designed to detect. Picture this. Light travels in waves, much like ripples spreading out when you throw a stone in a pond. When these waves enter our eyes, they are converted into electrical signals that our brains interpret as images. Now, let's talk about the speed of light. It's incredibly fast, so fast that it circles the Earth more than 7 times in 1 second. Imagine that. But light isn't just about speed. It influences how we perceive colors, shapes, and even distances. It's the reason we can differentiate a red apple from a green leaf, a square from a circle, or a nearby tree from a distant mountain. So light isn't just brightness. It's a crucial part of physics that enables us to perceive our universe. What powers our cars, lights our homes, and runs our bodies? The answer is energy, a fundamental concept in physics that underpins everything we do. It's defined as the capacity to do work. But what does that really mean? Imagine a ball rolling down a hill. As it picks up speed, it's gaining what we call kinetic energy, the energy of motion. But before it started rolling, it had potential energy, the energy stored by an object due to its position. Then there's thermal energy, the energy of heat. It's the reason why a cup of tea warms your hands on a chilly day. And chemical energy? That's what powers your body. The food you eat contains chemical energy that your body converts into the energy you need to move, think, and grow. So whether it's a car zooming down the highway, a bulb lighting up a room, or your heart pumping blood, energy is at play. Energy, in its many forms, is the driving force behind all physical phenomena. So, what did we learn today? We've gotten a glimpse into the marvelous world of physics. We started our journey by understanding that physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, and their interactions. It's like a key that unlocks the secrets of the universe. Then we delved into the unseen force that keeps our feet on the ground, gravity. This invisible force is responsible for the orbits of planets, the tides of the seas, and even the flight of a tossed ball. Next, we shone a light on. Well, light itself. More than just brightness, light is an electromagnetic wave that helps us see the world around us and powers technologies like fiber optics. Lastly, we charged into the topic of energy, the driving force behind everything that moves, heats, or glows. Physics is much more than just a subject. It's a way of understanding how the universe works. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Until next time, stay curious.